And special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this outdoor power strip. This is a weatherproof, wall-mountable outdoor power strip. See core technology and safety, so it's electric shock proof, water resistant, sparking arc proof, overload protection, and high-level flame retardants. Nothing on the bottom, nothing on the top, just the picture and the 6.56 feet little information here on the front, and the back just has the sticker and the picture again. Let's open it up and show you what you get. You get this. Nothing else in the box. So they include nice little user's manual telling you all about it, and then this is it. You have 6.56, so basically 6.5 feet of cable length here, which is great, and then a very easy wall mount option with a there and there for these holes to wall mount. This is your little reset switch, very nice, and you can plug in 3 different devices. So for me, I have a new back deck. This will actually be perfect. I can plug this into one outlet, can plug in my TV, my Chromecast, and a camera, and have it all plugged in to one outlet and have it be weatherproof. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send me this outdoor weatherproof power strip. Thank you all for watching this unboxing. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.